Hi guys, it's Becky, and I want to organize my Softflex Campout kit into my favorite organizers. So I'm not going to be posting this until after the official unboxing, but I want to get into this and see what we've got inside this Campout kit, because it looks like we're going to have some fun colors just from the Jesse James bead strand that came along with it. Actually, it didn't come with the kit. You buy that separately, because that's usually how they do things. And I'll put a link for my organizers at the bottom and a link to the Softflex design kits in my description. But let's go ahead and see what we've got going in here. Now, usually with the Softflex design kits, you get some beads, you'll have a bead mix. They usually also send some Softflex wire, which is really good wire and a lot of fun to design with, and some crimps, and it usually is based on a theme, and this one is a campout theme. Oh wow, look at that. That is really, really bright orange. That is fine. That is fine. I got over my fear of orange last year with the Peace and Love kit. Let me tell you, that was outside my color comfort zone, and I rocked it, I think. Oh, it's a slap bracelet. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, come on. I swear, I'm like... slap bracelets. That's awesome. So happy about that. Okay. Well, I love the metals. It looks like we've got some bronze and some dark. Is that pewter? Is it antique copper? Oh, like that. Antique brass color. And that's the Softflex wire that we've got. So this is going to be really nice to work with. And then we've got some, it looks like table cut check beads. And that cool dark blue color. It's like a Noxzema blue. Oof, look. We've got a little stone donut in here. This is the Findings and Charms kit that usually come with it. So we've got several strands of check glass. Looks like we've got some fire polish, and then we've got some opaque ones. Looks like these two are matte, and this one is not matte. All right, but this is nice. This is fun. So let me get these into my organizer. All right, and we've got, it looks like we've got the gold-filled crimp beads this time. Which is great. I think they're actually the more expensive ones, so it's nice that they send us those. All right. Got my summer camp. Those are hiking boots on there. Do you see them? All right. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So we've got fish. There's a rattlesnake in my boot. And then we've got a nice donut there. And they usually send you some findings and things like that. I mean, literally, as long as you've got the tools to be able to work with them, you can make everything that you can make a whole bunch of stuff just from what's in the kit without adding a whole lot extra. So let me get the findings and charms into this centerpiece right here. And I'm just going to put that in here. And then let's get these check glass, let's get these strands open up and get them in their own little compartments. Like, I love this, I call it Noxzema blue. It's the color that we used to call it in ceramics when we put that out there. I think it's more of like a, is it cobalt? No, because cobalt's not that like berry flavored. You know what I mean? Berry flavored. It's a berry blue. My great aunt actually used to collect pottery and glassware in that same color. She had huge displays of it in her house because she could afford to buy a lot of that. All right, and the orange ones. It's just a very orange pop of color. That's what we've got, a pop of color. And now let's get these in here. And it looks like I am not probably going to need to lay down any of these and make them bigger. So we'll probably have enough room in here for all of these. Look at what we've got on this strand though. I'm going to open up the strand and the mix, the bead mix, and sort them together at the same time, because sometimes we'll be able to put them in like the same compartments. Some of the beads from one into a compartment with the beads from another. And we've got some of these like leafy type end caps. I'm just going to gather those up. Looks like we've got little brass, antique brass beads. It's like filigreed. We got stars, because like that's one of the best things about going camping is being able to see the stars and to see everywhere that you go. We've got some boho beads. I'm going to stick these sparkly guys in there with the boho beads. Get them a little bit out of the way. Look at these. Look at the inside of them. There is like texture inside of here. It's like a glittery texture inside of these beads. That is awesome. I love those. Those are great beads. Good job, Jesse James Bead Company, for putting together a bead strand like that with these awesome beads. I want to get more of these. I think these are rad. These are so cool. So cool. All right, let's get the bead mix out. Look, we've got some drops. We've got some barrel beads with a little bit of brass on one end and blue on the other. We got some caged beads with, are these glow in the dark? Hold on a sec. I'm gonna see. These glow in the dark, guys. That's so cool. Wait. Do these glow in the dark? Let's see. These do not glow in the dark. That's fine. I'm going to put it over here with the other stars. That is so cool. I love glow in the dark beads. That is awesome. Actually, I am going camping. Not this coming weekend, but the weekend after next. It'll actually be probably before the unboxing uploads that I go camping. But I got a new camp chair because we're car camping. We're not ooh, more stars. There are so many star beads. Yeah, we're not it's actually a concert that I'm going to, and we're going to be camping there at the concert. So I was like, all right, I need a camp chair because we're not hiking in anywhere. I don't have to worry about dragging equipment all across the universe in order to get there. So we're gonna have comfort and style. So I got a camp chair, I got a cot to sleep in, and like I've backpacked and loved doing that. So it's different for me to actually like do comfort camping, I guess. Glamping, I don't know. But I got this cool padded camp chair, and my dog is snoring in it right now because I opened it up to try it out, and she immediately claimed it. She was like, nope, this is where I am definitely going to be hanging out. And this is so great. I love these. Look at these beads. These are so cool. All right, let's see how we can divide these up. Divide and conquer. All right, I've got my ambery orange colored beads here. I'm gonna stick them in here, but also maybe, no, let's get these blue faceted beads in the same container. Are we going to put the drops in there too? Will they fit? Yep, they fit just fine. Okay, and more faceted beads. All right, and then let's get all of our roundish beads over here in that one. And then my bead caps in this one. And I still have so much more room. Okay, so I'm gonna stick these barrel beads over here. And these, wait, is there only one of these? I could swear there were two. Where did the other one go? Well, it's going in there. I will look for the other one later. And then these are all going in the same compartment. And since I don't have to double up so many of these, I'm gonna maybe make a little more room with those two and these drops, these pear-shaped beads, so that we're not so crowded and it's easier to get to what we're getting to. So this is the Campout design kit for Softflex Company. And after they do the official unboxing, I'll go ahead and upload this, and then probably going to be doing some creating with this throughout the rest of the next month, so most of May. It's gonna be May. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.